Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So we are continuing our session which was about on abstraction. So we saw there are like two ways, abstract class and interface. So let's pick this abstract class first and take some more detail about it. So abstract class, how we can create or define an entity class. So question is how to create abstract class. So the key is you have to use abstract keyword. Yes, the same abstract keyword which we have seen earlier. Abstract. Use keyword with class signature. Okay, so how it looks like? So let's see its syntax. Syntax is modifier, then use abstract keyword, then class keyword, and then the class name. That's how you can define any abstract class. So abstract and class both are Java reserved keywords. So let's highlight them with bold and blue. So these are two keywords which helps us to create abstract class. So what could be the example? So modifier is public, abstract is a keyword, so you have to write it as it is. Class is keyword, have to write as it is. Then your class name, so you can write as anything like which. So we can say any class with XYZ. We will write in bold detail in Eclipse, but for now it's just example. So you can clearly see that we are using this abstract and class keyword, which is helping us to create or achieve abstraction. So that's the example how you can write or create any abstract class. What's the feature and what's the limitation once you have abstract class? So the first thing is if you have abstract class, it can't be instantiated. That means you cannot create its object. Its object cannot be created. Cannot create its object. Yep, that's one big thing about abstract classes. You cannot create its object. Why? Again, the term says abstract, and as I said or explained in previous video, if you see something which is incomplete or abstract, that means it's incomplete in nature. And if something is incomplete, you cannot create its instance. It's similar to interface. Interface also has some methods, or actually most of the method which is abstract. And if there is abstractness in this whole feature, that means you cannot create object. Same thing with the abstract class. So abstract class interface, both of them are abstract in the nature, and we cannot create their object. So that's one big feature of abstract class. We saw it says 0 to 100% abstraction. That means it has, or it can have, that will be better, it can have combination of abstract and non-abstract methods. Yes, you can, it's up to you. Either you want abstract method or non-abstract method, or have a combination of both. So that's why we say 0% abstraction. So if I explain 0% abstraction, that means all methods in abstract class are non-abstract. That means there is no method which is abstract. That is 0% abstraction. Or if I say that abstract class supports 100% abstraction, so all methods in abstract class, there's a typo, let me fix this here and here and here. So all methods in abstract class are abstract in nature. That means we are using abstract keyword with them. And if it is true, so we can say that abstract class is 100% abstract in nature. Okay, so that's all about abstract class and its formation. In next video, we will see this whole thing through program. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have a question or query, please feel free to put them in comment section. Bye bye.